Apple event on May 7th. Here's everything you need to know. Apple has announced its next mega event on May 7th, generating excitement among tech enthusiasts eager to see the latest innovations from the tech giant. It's reported that the main focus of the event will be the introduction of new iPad models, with indications pointing to substantial updates and enhancements. The event marks a strategic move by Apple to refresh its iPad lineup, catering to diverse user needs and preferences. Rumors indicate that the new iPads will feature enhanced performance, sleek designs, and possibly new display technologies, making them more appealing and versatile than ever before. While specific details remain under wraps, Apple's spring events are historically significant, often showcasing latest technology and setting industry trends. The launch of new iPads at this event shows that Apple is making big changes to its lineup for the first time since 2018. They want to boost sales by offering innovative and exciting products that capture people's interest. Apple events are highly anticipated milestones in the tech world, drawing attention not only from consumers, but also from industry experts and competitors. The May 7th event is expected to reaffirm Apple's position as a leader in the tablet market and offer insights into the company's vision for the future of portable computing. As the countdown to May 7 begins, excitement continues to build as enthusiasts eagerly await the official reveal of Apple's latest creations. Stay tuned for more updates and coverage as Apple prepares to showcase its newest iPads and potentially other surprises at the upcoming event.